Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Muhammad Nurul Akbar from Department of Hajj and Umrah Management, Faculty of Da'wah and Communication, and I will explain the following are the stages of pilgrimage that will be passed by Indonesia pilgrim. The first stage, for the first batch of the pilgrim, they will fly to Medina after going through a 9 until 7 horse flight. The pilgrims will land at Prince Muhammad bin Abdul Aziz International Airport, Medina. Upon arrival in Medina, pilgrims will stay for 8 days to perform the Arba'in prayer 40 times at the Prophet Mosque. After doing the Arba'in, the congregation headed to Mecca by taking the Miqat at Zulhulaifah, or better known as Bir Ali. Stage 2, arriving in Mecca, the congregation perform tawaf, sa'i, umrah at the Grand Mosque. As we know, tawaf is circling the Kaabah 7 times. For the pilgrims, during tawaf, the right shoulder of ihram is opened. The round of tawaf starts from the black stone line, marked with a grand line or like will spell. You can pray in Indonesia of regional language. After finishing praying, to rakhas Bekhin Makam Ibrahim, followed by sa'i from Safa to Marwa by reading the intention on the hill of Safa facing the Kaabah. For male pilgrim, jogging in Baitul Wadi is marked with a grand leg. After performing tahallul tawaf, umrah is finished. After umrah, the congregation will stay in Mecca until the 8th of Zulhijjah Hajj. Stage 3, 4, and 5. After 8 Zulhijjah, generally pilgrims for Makkah wear ihram clothes to Arafah to perform wukuf in Padang Arafah on 9 Zulhijjah. Then in the evening directly to Musdalifah and continue to Mina. Stage 6, on the 10th of Zulhijjah, the congregation stay heading toward Medina to perform the Aqabah pilgrimage. Although the Saudi government has built a 3-story Jumrah throwing place, it is better to throw the Jumrah in the morning or early morning because the condition of the congregation is crowded and jostling. Stage 7, some pilgrims go to Mecca for tawaf ifadah and sa'i 10 Zulhijjah afternoon and evening at a Grand Mosque. Pilgrim head to the Mabit, stay in Mina until 13 Zulhijjah. Stage 8, some the pilgrims return to Mina and throw 3 Jumrah on the 11 and 12 or Zulhijjah. Throw Jumrah Ula, Wusto, and Aqabah on 11 Zulhijjah. Stage 9, some worshipper perform Wada Tawaf, Firafel Tawaf at the Grand Mosque in Mecca on 12 Zulhijjah. Tawaf Wada is done without sa'i because this activity is the end of a series of Hajj that get ready to return to be flown to the country. And now I will go to the import place in the Makkah and Madinah. Some history place that can be visited in Madinah. The first, Prophet Mosque. The Prophet Mosque was found in the first years of Hijriah. In the process, in conclusion, the Prophet Muhammad laid the first stone. Man will the second, third, fourth, and fifth of the Prophet, namely Abu Bakar As-Siddiq, Umar bin Khattab, Utsman bin Affan, and Ali bin Abi Thalib. In then Prophet Mosque there are 16 that are the goals of the congregation, including the first Raudah and the second tomb of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Raudah in east end of Prophet Mosque. Location is marked by pillar that are between the house of Siti Aisyah, which is now the tomb of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that pulpit of the mosque, and the second tomb of Prophet Muhammad. In the past, the tomb of the Prophet was called Maksurah. After the mosque was expanded, the tomb of the Prophet was included in the mosque building. The second, Quba Mosque. Quba is village in the southwest of Medina. When the Prophet migrated to Medina, the people of Quba were the first to welcome him. Quba Mosque is the first mosque founded by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here, a home historical place by pilgrim usually visit while in Makkah. The first, the Grand Mosque and the Kaaba. The Grand Mosque is place where pilgrim for Hajj and Umrah gather to perform tawaf, sa'i, prayer, and itikaf. And second, Hiro Cave in Jabal Nur. Jabal Nur is located about 6 kilometers north of the Grand Mosque. At the top of Jabal Nur is the Hira Cave. Hira Cave is the place where Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam received his first revelation, Surah Al-Alaq verse 1 until 5. Thank you from mine. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.